In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile on mobile. If you've ever wondered who's been checking out your professional presence, the LinkedIn mobile app makes it quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to tap, what each screen shows, and what to expect if someone viewed you in private mode. I'll also clarify what additional details are available with a premium subscription so you know where the limits are. First, open your LinkedIn app and make sure you're on the home feed. From here, look to the very top left of your screen and tap your profile icon. This opens a panel with quick insights about your account. Right away, you should see a section labeled something like Profile Viewers or Who's Viewed Your Profile. This number updates automatically and, on a basic account, reflects activity from the past 90 days. Go ahead and tap that section. You'll be taken to a page listing people who have viewed your profile within that 90-day window. For each viewer, you may see their name, headline, company, and when they visited, if they were browsing in public mode. If they were in private mode, LinkedIn will protect their identity and you'll see something more generic like LinkedIn member, private mode, without personal details. That's normal and it's part of LinkedIn's privacy controls. You can easily tell who's in public versus private mode at a glance. Public viewers are typically shown with their names and roles, while private viewers remain anonymous. If you're curious about a public viewer and want to learn more, LinkedIn may require a premium subscription to open their full profile from this screen or to unlock additional details and insights. Similarly, if you're hoping to look back beyond the most recent 90 days of profile views, that extended history is a premium feature. A quick note on expectations. If you don't see many viewers or the count seems low, it might simply mean there hasn't been much recent activity or some visitors chose private mode. The list will continue to update over time as more people check out your profile. And that's it. That's how to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile on mobile. It's a fast way to gauge interest in your professional brand, understand who's discovering you, and decide whether deeper insights from premium make sense for your goals. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.